Heat. In this video, I am discussing about boiling, latent heat of vaporization, melting, latent heat of fusion, and freezing. Boiling, the process in which liquid phase changes into gaseous phase at constant temperature at a given pressure. The temperature at which boiling starts is called boiling point. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin. During boiling, temperature remains constant. Are the process of evaporation and boiling same? No, they are not same. Let us see the differences between them. Evaporation and boiling. The process of escaping of molecules from the surface of a liquid at any temperature, or the change of phase from liquid to gas that occurs at the surface of the liquid. Boiling is a process in which the liquid phase changes to gaseous phase at a constant temperature at a given pressure. Evaporation takes place at any temperature, whereas boiling takes place at constant temperature. Evaporation is a cooling process, whereas boiling is not a cooling process. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon, whereas boiling is a bulk phenomenon. They are not same, they are different. Latent heat of vaporization. The heat energy required to change 1 gram of liquid to gas at constant temperature is called latent heat of vaporization. Consider a liquid of mass m that requires heat energy of q calories to change from its state from liquid phase to gas phase. Latent heat of vaporization is denoted by L. Then latent heat of vaporization is given by L is equal to Q by M. Its CGS unit is calorie per gram and SI unit is joule per kilogram. The latent heat of vaporization of water is 540 calories per gram. Melting, the process in which solid phase changes to liquid phase at a constant temperature is called melting. The temperature at which melting starts is called melting point. Melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. During melting, temperature remains constant. Latent heat of fusion. The heat energy required to convert 1 gram of solid completely into liquid at a constant temperature is called latent heat of fusion. You just consider a solid of mass m. Let heat energy Q be required to change it from solid phase to liquid phase. The heat required to change 1 gram of solid into liquid is Q by M. Latent heat of fusion will be given as L is equal to Q by M. The value of latent heat of fusion of ice is 80 calories per gram. Freezing. The process in which a substance in liquid phase changes into solid phase by losing some of its energy is called freezing. Freezing of water takes place at 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin and at 1 atmospheric pressure. Why ice floats on water? Water expands or increases its volume on freezing. As a result, volume of ice increases, so its density decreases. We know that any body floats on water if its density is less than water. So ice floats on water as its density is less than that of water. This ends the chapter Heat.